After spending a night in jail, Allu Arjun has walked out. That's the latest we're getting right now. Superstar Allu Arjun has walked out of jail. Procedural delay made Allu stay in the jail overnight. Allu's lawyer has said that he was detained illegally. A class 1 barrack for Allu Arjun in the jail. That's what we're getting to know. Pushpa 2 star walks out of jail finally. This amid massive protests that took place outside the Hyderabad Central Jail. He was arrested for sensationalism, is what he himself has said. Pushpa 2 stampede haunts Allu Arjun, who had to spend a night in jail, and there's a massive political row that erupted because of his arrest.
They have received order copy from the High Court and despite receiving the order copy, they did not release. Now you should question the government and the department why they have not released the accused. High Court order is very specific that forthwith the moment you receive the order, you have to release an essay. Despite clear order, they did not release. Now they have to answer. We have to take further steps and legally what is permissible, we will take.
Sir, what is the kind of, are we going to initiate any legal action?
Yes, definitely. This is an illegal arrest, illegal detention, we will take legal steps.
I want to bring in my colleague Apurva Jayachandran, who's tracking this story for us. Apurva, could you throw more light on the so-called procedural delay that is now being quoted behind the delay in the release of the superstar? This despite there being a bail that he had managed to secure from the High Court.
Well, Harshit, interestingly, his lawyers argue that there hadn't been any kind of delay from their side in, retrieving the papers, the court orders and issuing for the jail authorities. In fact, we spoke to his, his legal team as well, and what they are saying is that there hadn't been any kind of, lapses on their side, which might have resulted in the release of Allu Arjun almost, after a night stay there at Chanchalgura jail. And what they're saying is this was not the right procedure and due process and due protocol had been failed yet again is what they are saying. And they're also saying that they will be going ahead and proceeding legally as well now that, this had happened. So what we are getting to know is that number one, Allu Arjun, he had got an interim bail at around 7:30, last evening, and over 5 hours since then there had been a continuous wait, not only for the family but also the legal team there, as they were trying to get the papers sorted, as they were trying to see how at the earliest they can be able to get the superstar out from the jail. But unfortunately, they waited well into late last night and into early morning today as well, while they were trying to see if Allu Arjun will be brought out from Chachalgura jail, which had failed, following which he had, the jail prison authorities had given, made sleeping arrangements for him at the barracks number 1, special barrack number 1, and following that today, around between 6 and 6:30 this morning, from Chanchalgura jail, from the backside, Allu Arjun had in fact, with his legal team left from the Chanchalgura jail. He had been released as well. In fact, his legal team there saying that the due process and protocol had been failed, and that there was no delay, there was no kind of any halt or mistake from their side which might have resulted in the delay. And they say, in fact, they're also stressing on the interim order that had been passed at the Telangana High Court yesterday, wherein it said that he should be released forthwith, which meant that he should be released immediately. But the kind of process and the the lapses in the process in which the jail authorities had carried it out definitely calls for contempt, is what the court, his legal team is also saying, and they're saying they will fight this legally. They will not let this go.
Two quick questions from you, Apurva, before I let you go. One, what is the status as far as those protests that we saw from his ardent fans is concerned? That's number one. Number two, what I would want to know from you is what exactly are the facilities that were provided to the superstar in the jail, if there were any?
Well, what we are getting to learn is that Allu Arjun had, spent the night at Chanchalguda jail, and it had been at Special Barracks 1. We are also getting to know that, all necessary arrangements had been done to ensure that, his stay was, given the situation, it was at least comfortable in the least. In fact, his lawyers also, when we asked them, his lawyers do tell us that, they didn't know what his sleeping conditions were, how he had managed through the night, but his lawyers do say that the kind of gross mismanagement that had taken place, it won't be let down easy, is what they said. Remember, this interim jail copy, this interim jail order allows for Allu Arjun to be out, on conditional bail for around 4 weeks' time, within which his lawyers will yet again come up with the argument and see as to extend this, bail condition that has been given to him. But that's not the part that we are looking into. More importantly, his legal team is looking into seeing where there had been, mistakes that had gone wrong, how despite having given court orders there, an order that had been passed, by the High Court, there had been a justice, there had been a delay, is what they're saying, which had led to Allu Arjun having stayed the night at Chanchalguda jail. What his accommodations were, was he comfortable, or, what was the situation in which he had walked out this morning? That is something that we still are yet to know.
As far as the bail order is concerned, Apurva, do we know what that bail amount was like? The bail bond, I mean?
Well, bail order, had the bail bond had two conditions. One, that they were given a 4 weeks time period. Apart from this, there was a surety bond that had to be, issued by Allu Arjun of rupees 50,000, personal surety bond that had to be issued, following which he had to be released. And all of this was done as due process, is what his lawyers are saying. They said they had been able to get the bail order for the jail authorities in time. They had been able to provide that said surety, bond of rupees 50,000 at said time. But still, that there had been delay, and why the delay is what his legal team is also arguing and demanding, because they say we had not done anything out of the line. We had given them whatever they requested at the time they requested. We had all papers, all documents, any information and any procedural things that they wanted in order, but their failure to let him out even after the Telangana High Court had passed that order is something that needs to be grievously looked into, and we will take strong action, is what his legal team has said.
Appreciate you joining us, Apurva, but stay on. We're getting more details on this story.